Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to enter language as an input and tap on languages. And this is the list of our previously added languages, so let's tap on add a language in order to get transferred to this list with all available languages from which we can choose. And all you have to do here actually is to just find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list, but the English language is still a main one. So we have to switch the order of the languages. So let's tap on the one you'd like to use, tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, you can move it. So let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, actually immediately we've got the language changed. And from now on, the whole system will be in the chosen one. I'm not really sure which language it is. So let's tap on it again, and let me show it to you one more time. So tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. So this is how to change the language. And if you'd like to, I can show you how to remove the language from this list. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove, just mark the language you'd like to delete, and the trash bin icon, remove. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.